Hey guys, it's me, Rochelle, and today we are going to be opening this Barbie summer accessory pack. And it's perfect for one of these Barbie dolls. And I'm really excited to open it, so let's open it. So first of all, we have this cool silver sunglasses, really perfect for Barbie. She is so pretty with these glasses on. And now let's try this necklace. I really love this flower necklace, and it's yellow, one of my favorite colors. We can put the necklace in Barbie's neck as well. And here is the watch, the silver watch. And it's really tiny. I hope you guys can see that. And it's really hard to put it on Barbie, so let's just put it right here. And we also have this pink bracelet, really adorable. And sunscreen so Barbie can't burn her skin. Really cute. And this one is an ice cream cone. Perfect for a hot summer day. And of course we have Barbie's water bottle so she can't get dehydrated or something, I don't know. And we have this frisbee, really adorable, so they can play in a nice summer beach. And we also have this starfish, really adorable. And this camera so Barbie and her friends, sisters, and family can take a picture. And this really cute bag that is pink, and I really love it. It's so cute for Barbie. And oh my gosh, I really love this blue hat. And we can put it in Barbie as well. Look at her. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Subscribe, like, and turn on your notification bell so you won't miss any of my new videos. Bye guys!